Hi everybody, I am your Ravi Shankar. Today I am going to demonstrate you the external and the internal structure of the kidney. Here, to do this experiment, we have to collect one mammalian kidney, and we have collected a sheep's kidney here, and today we are going to see that external and internal structure of the kidney. And before going to start the dissection and as well as to observe the external features of that kidney, already we know that kidneys are the major organs for the purpose of excretion in a human body. They are very major organs. They purify the blood and they excrete the waste substances, especially nitrogenous substances from our body to the outside, and it is said to be excretion. Okay, and already we know that the shape of that kidney is bean shaped. Here just we see that, and just you observe the shape of that kidney. It is a bean shaped in nature and as well as a reddish brown in a color, and when you observe the color, that is a reddish brown, and the location of that kidney is especially it is located in the abdominal cavity, and also it is attached to the dorsal body wall. And exact location we are going to say that these kidneys, one pair of kidneys in a human body, they are present in the abdominal cavity. They are attached to the dorsal body wall, and as well as either side of, we have backbone, and either sides of that backbone this kidney is going to be present there. And next we have right kidney and as well as a left kidney here, and this right kidney slightly it is located down. Are you know the reason? Yes, that is nothing but due to the presence of that liver here, and right kidney slightly it is located down when we compare with the location of the left kidney. Okay, and now come here, and the physical measurements we may observe here, and especially the kidney, it may contain here 10 centimeters of length it may contain, and as well as 5 to 6 centimeters of breadth it is going to contain, and as well as nearly here thickness 4 centimeters of thickness it may contain there. And here it is called as a inner portion and it is called as a outer region, and outer region this is, and this is the inner region. Okay, and here especially the outer side of that kidney, it is a convex shaped. Okay, it is a convex, and as well as a concave, this is the concave. Okay, concave in a inner side, and as well as here we have one structure that is nothing but exactly the middle here especially, and where you know in this concave region, especially in the middle of that concave region, we may observe one structure. It is called as a fissure or a hilus. Okay, and next from this fissure or hilus only, the ureter, renal vein, and as well as a renal artery, they may come and goes out through this fissure or a hilus only. Okay, now we are going to see the internal structure of the kidney, and with the help of a blade or scalpel here, we are going to cut the structure of that kidney like this. We are opening the kidney by cutting through this outer region of the kidney, and already we discussed that how this outer region, that is nothing but the outer region, that is nothing but convex. Here through this convex region we have opening, we are going to open the kidney and deeply we have to cut. And just you see here, you may observe the structure like this. And here just this is the structure when we cut and open, and the inner portion it will be like this. And here we are going to see the two distinct regions here, and one is the dark colored outer portion, and as well as the pale colored inner portion. And this dark colored outer portion, it is called as a cortex, and the pale colored inner portion, it is called as a medulla. It is called as a medulla, and the dark colored outer portion, it is called as a cortex, and the pale colored inner portion, it is called as a medulla. And here it is called as a what? Pelvis. Okay, pelvis there. Okay, this all the calyces here, they are joining into this pelvis. Okay, and this pelvis, it is opening into this what? Ureter. Okay, this pelvis is going to be open into ureter there. Okay, and this whitish what? Elastic tube-like structure, it is called as a ureter. Okay, when we cut open the internal structure of the kidney, it will be like this. And here the outer color portion, this is a outer portion, and this dark colored outer portion is called as a cortex, and this pale colored inner portion, it is called as a medulla. And after that medulla we have, this is a pelvis, and just you see this cream colored structure here. This cream colored structure, it is called as a pelvis, and a dark colored outer region, it is called as a cortex, and pale colored inner structure, it is called as a medulla. And have you observed this triangular shaped structures here? This triangular, just you see this triangular shaped, like this. And this triangular shaped structures, they are called as a calyces. They are called as a calyces, and all the calyces, they are going to join into this pelvis region. Okay, all the calyces, they are going to join into this pelvis region, and this pelvis it is going to be opens into a whitish colored tube. It is called as a ureter. Okay, it is called as a ureter. And here first of all the calyces, just you observe this calyces here, and this is a calyces, and all the calyces, they are going to be joined together, and they are entering into the what? This is the pelvis part, and the pelvis, it is going to be opens into this white colored elastic tube. It is called as that is nothing but a ureter.